Janet, could you give me a couple of examples of how technology companies have used the research in multiple marketing and sales venues?
We have a client that is a major technology product and services vendor that we've worked with over the course of the last several years, 2 or 3 years. And they have conducted a number of global research initiatives that have spanned North America, Europe, Asia Pacific, and South America. So these are large initiatives with 12 to 14 countries included in the mix. I think at this point we've conducted 4 different research topics for them, and they have been very effective at leveraging that research individually and as a family of programs for PR, for news articles. They've done a series of roundtable events using the content from the research as the discussion platform for those events. And more recently, we have been working on building an interactive survey tool with them that allows them to put all of that research knowledge and all of those learnings into one platform from which customers can then go to this tool and take the survey and compare where their company is against their peers on a global basis, on a regional basis, on a country basis, and then they can even look at it industry specific and things like that.
And an example of a product-oriented company that's used the research?
We have another client that we did research for over 3 consecutive years in the service-oriented architecture space, and the idea behind that research was to really be able to trend awareness and understanding of SOA and adoption patterns. And every year at the close of that research, a series of white papers and webcasts would be created that would allow those results to be communicated back to the customer base and the target market, looking at the data from that particular year as well as trending key metrics over time.
The surveys appear quite regularly in the news media. Why do you think they're a popular tool for developing visibility for a company?
Technology professionals are very interested in hearing from their peers. We've done a lot of research that reveals that peer recommendations, conversations with peers, networking with peers are an important part of the process when they're learning about technology solutions and evaluating options for purchase and implementation. Technology professionals are very interested as an audience in case studies and just learnings of that nature. So the research is very relevant to them because it's among their peer audience and it's about topics that are very relevant to their day-to-day jobs.
Thank you, Janet King of IDG Research Services.
Thanks.
And thank you for joining Engagement Matters. This is Howard Sholkin, IDG Communications.